How to fix Messenger video call background not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Messenger video call background not working. So what you need to do is sometimes a simple update can fix your issue. So head over to your respective app store and locate Messenger. So when you locate Messenger, you want to make sure to click on the update button if you see so, and this might be able to fix the issue all at once. Apart from it, a simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches. So you could also try restarting. All you have to do is hold on to your side buttons and then restart it. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is you could try clearing your cache as well as data. So long press the Messenger app, click on the app info icon, and next what you need is here click on storage and cache, go to clear cache, and that is how you'll be able to fix the issue. And apart from it, you could also try checking the permission. Sometimes you might have disabled some features of permissions which might be able to uh, awkward hindrance, so you could check that out or check your internet connection as well. So these are a couple of things you could try to fix Messenger video call background not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.